Well, it might be a little bit high for this tactic, but I've got a Devon on, Paternoster, again, usual modelling clear. I'm trying to get nice and low. There's a little bit too much water probably. I probably might be better off with a Flying Sea or a Toby, which I might go on to in a bit. I just fancied having a half an hour of this tactic. So the river's risen overnight, probably about 6 inch. There's a little bit too much water in this pool for it to fish really well. But we give it a go. We've just seen one fish, one running salmon, which was last night, but we couldn't fish last night because it was Sunday. So we're hopeful that we might at least see some fish. There's Peter on the far bank down there spinning. I think he's fishing Flying Sea, so it's a heavy Flying Sea. So we've got all bases covered. It's forecast is for a lot more wind than we've got at the moment, so whether it will pick up the wind, I don't know. I'm just trying to search the crease where the current starts, just in case there's anything live in there. It's coming round nicely. The weight's bouncing on the bottom. The Devon should be revolving behind it, 3 or 4 foot behind it. So it's all looking good. All we need is a fish, as I keep saying. I'll just retrieve it slowly when it gets to the end of its run across. Obviously it's lifting off the bottom then, probably fishing 2 or 3 inches above the surface, but you never know. Gotta fish it back. I'm just moving across slightly every time. Just changing angles, changing length, searching for that elusive silver tourist. The spring salmon. So we fish most of the day on and off because of the rising water. We're just I'm back at the middle of this pool. Same tactics. Trundle it along the bottom. You see the rod bouncing as it hits as it moves along the boulders. Coming around lovely. I still haven't seen a salmon today. When it gets to the end of the run round, when the current's starting to weaken, I just basically sink and draw, bring it back in steady, letting it drop, and then lifting it up so you get a sink and draw effect, and it comes in. Just keep the spinner spinning, the Devon minnow spinning. I've been fishing probably about an hour on this side of the pool now. I think I'm going for a coffee, and then we'll probably have something to eat, and maybe go out for the last hour or two. The high tide tonight is 5:30ish, so it takes about 2 hours fish to get up here, an hour and a half, 2 hours. So we'll probably have the last hour of light. Whether I video or not, I don't know. It'll depend if anything happens. Well, it's the second day's fishing, quite early morning. I've been up since it started getting light. Still slogging away with a minnow. It's what, an hour and a half after high tide, so there is a chance of any fresh fish coming into the pool around about now. The height has dropped to 2, possibly 3 inch, so it is getting to a better height for this pool. Lovely morning, cold, got cold hands. We've had every type of weather imaginable in the last 2 days. We've had 50-mile-an-hour winds, we've had hailstorms, we've had horizontal rain, really heavy rain, and then some nice sunny spells in between. We're fishing, Peter's been fishing with Meps, fishing quite fast. I've been fishing very slow with the Devon, very low. It's not for want to try him, but we just don't seem to be seeing any fish yet. We are looking for springers, so very rare nowadays. It's a nice place to see if any salmon actually do go into the pool on this tide. Normally show when they come in, so you might head and tail as they come in. That's where we're staying, little fishing up. Amazing place. Well, this is a steps pool. This is the bottom pool really on this beach, and on this side it should hold it could hold a running fish anyway. So now fishing with Toby, coloured Toby. I just fished for maybe an hour and a half, and then it will be time for tea. Fish not too hard today because it's been a little bit high. I've had like 3 periods of fishing, 3 2-hour periods with a decent break. Then we had a run round Newton Stewart and had a look round. Out in the fishing tackle shop. I might actually put a little bit of video on there. We talked to the guy. I've talked to him before, I know him. I've met him a few times. Very knowledgeable guy. Excellent fishing tackle shop, just like they should be. Quite happy to give you advice and share his knowledge. So yeah, I'm fancying that rock wall, and there's just a bit of a quieter part. I don't know how deep it is, but that's what running fish are looking for. They're looking for somewhere to get out of the main current. Now that could be the place. Might be wrong, but you've got to follow your instincts. So I'm trying to get it close to that wall. I don't mind it going on the wall actually. That was a bit short, that one. Try that one again. Get close to the wall if you can. Perfectly happy in the wall. Ah, there's a red squirrel on the other bank. I don't know if you can see that. It's just scurrying up the banking now. That's the first I've seen for a good few years. If it comes any closer, I'll try and get it on. In fact, the last one was on the same pole further up. On the same beat further up. Right, now I've got my spinner across the. Let's come off. When your line crosses your treble, you can feel it's not right, and that's what happens when it's come off. So yeah, I'm keeping my eyes up for that squirrel there. I think it's enjoying the last bit of sunshine, which I am as well, although we're in shade on this side. Well, it's the fourth morning of our trip up to the Cree. I've not really done anything. It's, as usual, just on high tide, so fish could be coming into the pools, but we haven't really seen a lot happening so far this week. In a lovely cottage with, well, fishing lodge with log fires and plenty of beer and whiskey. So obviously we're enjoying it. The fishing, the beat is absolutely incredible. Lovely pools. With some fish I've gone through, some of the tributaries further up. But we're struggling at the moment, as usual. So we've spun, we've used fly, all sorts of different types of spinners. Sorbies, flying seas, Devons. I've had sink tips on. I took it off now. I've just got a basic weight forward fly line on with a decent length leader. Fairly heavy fly. So really the high point so far is probably seeing the red squirrel, which is just further down from this pole. The forecast for today is rain all day, starting very shortly. It's only light rain, barring one 1 hour. I think it's going to be like 12 till 1 where it's going to be heavy. Hopefully that won't make too much difference to the river, because we don't want it any higher than this. Fish will still run on this level, and the pools that we've got are quite low water pools in general. So here we have a proper fishing tackle shop, Galloway Angling Centre. Hiya. How's it going?
Not so bad. Any luck?
No luck so far. Water's perfect,
Aye.
but no, it's just not happening. I just saw that one fish when we got there on Sunday, head and tail, but no, not yet. Yeah, we'll see how we go.
Aye.
Where do you go skate fishing then? Is it right up Scotland? Or?
That one was Port Patrick. These two are Auburn.
Wow.
Right. Staying core. Do you remember the association?
Yes. Yeah.
How many's on the association then?
There's about 150 members.
Alright. It's not bad then.
Did they have any returns for salmon? Is there any way you can find out what's been caught, salmon wise?
Yeah. If you speak to Murdo down at the hatchery, in fact that'd be a good one for your blog. That.
Yeah.
They'll show you.
He's actually away. I tried to arrange to go and have a look at hatchery, and there were talk of us going today, but I think he's going somewhere fishing.
Aye.
So I don't think it's going to happen, unfortunately. I would have liked to have had a look. But yeah, so...
Have you heard if anybody's had out this week? Oh, well, Monday and Tuesday.
The last one I know of that was caught was Jamie Hislop.
He's had two,
He's
and
had
there's been, I think he said 5, didn't he, further up on the Minnock? Did he say 5 or 3? I can't remember now. Did he say 5? I think he said 5, didn't he, on the Minnock? So they've obviously run straight through a lot of them.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah. Well, it's good, but it's not good because we need to... The water's just coming down to right for Linloskin now, so hopefully... If there's any fish in the pool, we might have a chance.
I'll sell you one of them, Alan, at £6. I've got one.
Have you?
No, you said price of them now.
£11.
They're insane prices, aren't they? You know...
Why are repartments so dear?
The balsa wood out there, they're not plastic.
Yeah.
So
I've got one that my dad gave me,
Aye.
and I still haven't used it. I've used it once, I think, and I didn't catch it. It's like kind of killers, aren't they? They're a fortune, but they've got a new one out.
people come in and ask for a pallet, so what can you do?
Yeah. Oh, absolutely.
That's how I feel.
Yeah.
It's a lot.
I mean, the 11-15 ones are like the cheapest ones I do.
They're a fortune even on the internet, aren't they?
Aye.
You know, especially big pike ones.
Aye.
I mean, I'd be scared to cast them.
You can tell they're that valuable.
It's got to be in a case, yeah.
Aye.
Yeah.
They were being pinched.
Yeah. Yeah, so I might give you a ring anyway. Do you go out on this boat, this Optimist?
I'm going out on the 23rd with him, June the 23rd.
And they're okay, are they?
We've got a local sea angling club that we started.
All right.
So, yeah, it's okay. Yeah, we'll just wait and see.
So is this the boat is this the same boat?
No, that's the other boat. That's Steve Stringer.
Yeah. Right, anyway, I'll probably begin your ring after Christmas or something like that and see how things go. Yeah. All right then, mate. Thanks a lot. Thanks for your time. Cheers, mate. Bye now. Come over the brig, sea light shimmer on water, Scylla salmon leap, hearts can do. Must be better in a Scottish accent. So this is the bridge, footbridge over at Newton Stewart. Well up is the river now. Still clean though. Bit of peat stain, not much more than that. See how it is with the trees there. Yeah, Lovely. Sparling Bridge. On the fresh spring tides of every year, these bonny fish reappear. Here she back, ye silver darling, our bonny Cree to fill with sparling. So sparling, very rare fish. I think it's something to do with the moon that brings them back. I don't know, full moon or no moon.